Hey there, CJ Math students. I'm going to go ahead and take you through notes 4.7. We're making this the new notes 4.7. The other one was a bad set of notes, so that's why I've asked you to cross it off. So a couple of things right off the bat. Perimeter means the distance around a shape, or on the outside of a shape. So we've been working with perimeter a lot in ST Math, right? Area means the space inside of a shape. And hopefully from ST Math, if you've been doing those levels, you know here you're going to want to add everything. And here, at least with rectangles, you're going to want to multiply your length times your width. We're not going to work with any other shapes just yet with area. So length times width, that's an L. All right? So I want to go over a couple of problems that we struggled with the other day on the homework, and also practice some simplifying expressions and evaluating them. So we have write the perimeter of the rectangle as a simplified algebraic expression. So if this is 4x plus 8, I know the rectangle, if this is 4x plus 8 on top, this is also 4x plus 8 on bottom. And if this is 2 on the side, then this is also 2 on the side. Now, to go ahead and write this algebraic expression, what I'm going to do is just write out a long expression of 4x plus 8 plus 4x plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. What have I done? Basically, I said, hey, I want the perimeter, which means I want to add everything on the outside, and I have nothing but expressions and some constants on the outside, and so now I have this long expression that I just need to combine like terms. So I say 4x and 4x, that gives me 8x. And then I have 8, 8, 2, and 2. So what you really need to think about is 8 plus 8 is 16, 2 plus 2 is 4, 16 plus 4 is 20. So your answer here ends up being 8x plus 20. Now I want you to evaluate the expression for when x is 3. So what is the perimeter of that figure if x is 3? All you have to do is take your simplified expression, 8x plus 20, and plug in 3. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. 8 parentheses 3 plus 20. So that gives us 24 plus 20. So the perimeter of this figure is 44 units. I didn't give you inches or anything like that, so you just say units. All right. Now, I want you to write the area of the rectangle as a simplified algebraic expression. So the area is we're going to multiply the length times the width. All right, so in our case, the length is 4x plus 8, and the width is 2. So I'm going to say 2 times, but instead of saying times, I'll say parentheses, 4x plus 8. And look what I have. I have a distributive property problem. So 2 times 4x gives me 8x, and 2 times 8 gives me 16. So 8x plus 16 is my answer. And then, again, if I told you to evaluate when x is 3, you would just plug in 3, and you can give me what the area would be, right? Except on this one, you would want to plug in 3 right here and then multiply it by 2. All right, so I want you to pause the video and try and do number 2, all 3 steps. Good luck. All right, number 3, we have a triangle now. So it says write the perimeter of, it says a rectangle, but it should say triangle. That's my fault. Triangle has 3 sides, not 4. As a simplified algebraic expression, so you're going to want to correct that over here as well. Sorry guys, typo. All right, so basically again, we have these sides, and the perimeter all it's saying is like I need to add this side plus this side plus this side, but instead of numbers, what do they give us? They give us expressions. So I'm just going to add up. Okay, I have that side, which is 2x, plus this side, which is 5x minus 1, plus this side, which is 4x plus 5. If you want, you can go ahead and change this to plus and negative. And now we're just looking for like terms. So 2x and 5x and 4x. 2x plus 5x is 7x. Keep that in your head. Plus 4x, 7x plus 4x gives you 11x. And now we're going to go ahead and add our constants. We have negative 1 plus 5. Remember your integer rules. Negative 1 plus 5. These are different signs, so I subtract, and I keep the sign that has more. So DSSN. I have more positives, so that's why it's going to be plus 4. 11x plus 4. Okay, now evaluate the expression when x is 3. Again, I just have 11x plus 4. And I'm just going to plug in. So 11 parentheses 3 plus 4. So 11 times 3 is 33 plus 4. My perimeter, if x were 3, would be 37 units. Okay. We're not going to work with area on this just yet. We'll save that for a little bit. But that's the end of part 1 video. Go ahead, pause, and try and do number 4 on your own.